today's video we are going to seal these concrete pavers. What's going on, fellow fixers? I'm Jeremy and I'm a fixer. This is a channel all about helping you fix and maintain your home so you can help others do the same. Now the thing about these concrete pavers is you want to make sure that they're completely dry, and so I've actually had rain for the last week solid. Finally yesterday it let up, and today you can see it's bright and sunny. I'm just waiting for that little bit of shade to finish off and dry everything out. You want to make sure if you have pavers that you seal them. The reason being that if you don't, water could penetrate between the cracks where the sand is at and wash away all of that foundation that's underneath there. And if that happens, then your pavers are going to end up dipping and moving. So we're going to seal these. We're going to make sure everything's sealed nice and good. It'll give it sort of a wet finish look, and they'll last for years and years to come. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that they're obviously dry, and then make sure that you blow everything off. You don't want any dirt or grime or anything. So I'm going to get the blower. I'm going to make sure that these pavers are nice and clean. Mix it up real well. You want to do about 2 coats of the sealant on your pavers, no more than 3. If you go beyond that, then it's really not going to do you any good. If you do more than that, it's just going to flake off and it's not going to provide the protection that it needs to. So 2 coats, 3 coats max, and you're going to get a good long lifetime of your pavers. And I would do this every year. Just go ahead and reseal it just to make sure everything is good to go and it lasts a long time. Alright, so there you have it. There's really not much to sealing your pavers, but it is so very important to do it. Make sure you do it. If you haven't seen the video on how I put this paver pad in, then go check that out. It's right over there. I'll see you over there. And as always, get out there and fix something. I'll see you on the next video.